home that gives your family comfort and flexibility? Welcome to this 5-room corner unit at 228A Compassvale Walk, offering 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a helper's room, with a generous 115 square meters of well-planned living space. The layout is wide and efficient, with good natural light and ventilation throughout. Perfect for everyday living. Spacious homes are already hard to find. One with this kind of layout and location makes it a real opportunity. Now let's step inside and take a closer look at how the space flows throughout the home. As you enter, you're welcomed into a wide living and dining area. You can easily place a large sofa on one side, a TV console, and still have plenty of walking space. This is perfect for family time or hosting guests. With simple vinyl flooring, a clean feature wall, and ceiling lights, you can make this space look bright, modern, and cozy. Now, from the living area, if you look towards the side, you will find the storeroom. Currently, it is being used as a puja room or prayers room, which is very nice and peaceful. You can continue using it as a puja space or convert it back into a storeroom. From here, you can walk into the kitchen. The kitchen is enclosed and comes with good countertop space for cooking. You also have a service yard at the back for laundry and drying. You can upgrade the cabinets, change the countertop, or even open up part of the kitchen to create a more modern, semi-open concept. Next to the kitchen, you will find one of the bathrooms. It is spacious and practical for daily use. With simple changes like new tiles, fittings, and a glass shower screen, you can give it a clean and modern look. Now moving back towards the other side of the home, you will enter the bedroom area. The master bedroom is spacious and can fit a king-sized bed and full wardrobe comfortably. There is still good space to move around. You can update the wardrobe and add warm lighting to create a more relaxing feel. The other 2 bedrooms are well sized. You can place a queen bed and a study table comfortably, making it suitable as a kids' room or guest room. There is also another bathroom near the bedrooms, which is convenient for family use. Similar to the other bathroom, a simple upgrade can make it look fresh and modern. You can add a glass shower screen and new fittings to create a cleaner and brighter space. Overall, every part of this home is usable and well laid out. With simple renovation, you can transform it into a comfortable and modern home that suits your lifestyle. And that's how the entire layout comes together. Practical, spacious, and full of potential for your own personal touch. Now, let's talk about what makes this home even more attractive: the value and long-term potential. When it comes to value, one thing you will notice is this: prices in this block have been steadily increasing over the years. That's important because it shows you are entering into a market with proven growth, not uncertainty. At the same time, the unit is priced in line with current market conditions and recent transactions in the area, ensuring it remains well positioned. And with many primary and secondary schools nearby, this location naturally attracts families. That steady demand helps support prices and gives you a safer exit strategy in the future. So you're not just buying a home here, you are stepping into a location that supports both comfortable living and long-term wealth progression. Of course, a beautiful home should come with a beautiful location. Right here, at 228A Compassvale Walk, you're in the heart of Sengkang, a neighborhood known for its convenience, greenery, and family-friendly environment. Just a short walk away, you have Kankar LRT within minutes and Bakau LRT also nearby. When it comes to MRT, Sengkang MRT is nearby, giving you easy access to the North-East Line and smooth connectivity across Singapore. Right at your doorstep, there are multiple bus stops with services like Block 227D just below the block, and Block 124, Block 225A, Block 231, Block 126A, and many more, making daily travel very convenient. For families, this is a strong location. Within 300 meters, you have North Spring Primary School and Sengkang Primary School, along with several other reputable schools nearby. Secondary schools like Sengkang Secondary and CHIJ St. Joseph's Convent are also within easy reach. For your daily needs, supermarkets like FairPrice and Cold Storage are conveniently located nearby, making grocery runs quick and easy. Rivervale Plaza and Rivervale Mall are just a short 5-minute walk away, while Compass One and Sengkang Grand Mall are also close by for more shopping and daily conveniences. Sengkang is known for its peaceful environment, parks, and open spaces, giving you a nice balance of convenience and lifestyle. It's a location where everything is within reach while still giving you the comfort every family looks for. And when you put everything together, the space, the layout, and the location, this is a home that makes sense, not just for today, but for your next move as well. And that brings us to the end of this home tour. A spacious layout, a quiet corner unit, and a location that supports both daily living and future plans. If this feels like something that fits your needs, feel free to contact Kumar to arrange a viewing. We will be happy to walk you through it in person. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and we look forward to showing you around soon.